Have you ever noticed how people go absolutely crazy chasing someone who barely gives them the time of day? The one who doesn't text back right away, the one who seems busy, distant, unbothered. And yet, the more unavailable that person is, the harder everyone tries to win their attention. Crazy, right? But here's the cold, hard truth psychology backs up: too much attention kills your value. When you're always available, always responding instantly, always there, people start taking you for granted. Scarcity creates desire, limited supply skyrockets perceived worth. That's why the person who doesn't chase ends up being chased. Today I'm breaking down the 5 powerful psychological ways to build unbreakable self-value so people naturally gravitate toward you. No games, no manipulation, just real inner strength that makes others want to earn your time and attention. Number 1. Get busy. Really busy. The person who's genuinely occupied with their own purpose, they become magnet. Busy people don't beg for attention, they command it. The guy or girl with no real goals, no drive, no full calendar, they chase validation. They're the ones double texting, waiting by the phone. Yeah, that's just a comedy. And they've got my canal to remind him that there's not a secret that I can't do one at a second. But someone who's grinding, working on their fitness, career, skills, passions, they radiate seriousness. Success is the most attractive response, not explanations, not excuses. When you fill your life with meaning, your time becomes limited. Unlimited time feels precious. People sense it. They start wondering what's so important that they're not replying right now. Make your life so valuable that others have to fit into it, not the other way around. Number 2. Stop replying instantly every single time. Instant replies scream desperation. They say, "My whole world revolves around you." And that kills mystery, kills tension, heals attraction. Psychology calls this the scarcity principle. People value what's rare. If you're always available, you become common.
So practice delayed gratification for them and for you.
Not ghosting, not playing games, just living your life first. Let a message sit for a few hours or a day. Respond when it actually fits your rhythm. Silence can be the loudest power move. Let them feel what waiting feels like. Number 3. Set clear boundaries. Learn to say no. The person who can't say no ends up being used. Boundaries aren't rude, with self-respect in action. When you have limits on your time, energy, emotions, people respect you more. They stop expecting you to drop everything. They start valuing the yeses because they're earned. But trying to please everyone, you lose yourself. And ironically, you lose respect too. The moment you protect your peace, the world starts treating you like someone worth protecting. Oh, know your worth. Guard it fiercely. The right people will rise to meet your standards, not drag you down to theirs. Number 4. Talk less. Observe more. The quiet ones hold power. Oversharing kills mystery. Every secret you spill reduces intrigue. People obsess over what they don't fully know. The less you reveal, the more space they have to wonder, to imagine, to chase understanding. Listening is a superpower. When you truly hear someone, without jumping in, without fixing, they feel seen. And in a world full of noise, being truly heard is rare. So speak less. Let pauses hang. Let your words land heavy when you do speak. Fewer words, deeper impact. That's quiet confidence. Number 5, make your own happiness. Don't outsource it. The biggest attraction killer, needing someone else to feel good. When your joy depends on their texts, their likes, their approval, you hand over your power, you become needy, predictable, chaseable, but not chased. Real magnetism comes from within. Self-love, self-trust, that inner glow that says, I'm good. With or without you. When you stop chasing validation, people feel the shift. They sense you don't need them, and suddenly, They don't want to lose you. Embrace solitude. Enjoy your own company. Build a life so full that others want in, not because you're lonely, but because you're whole. Ignoring someone isn't about hurting them, it's about honoring yourself. When you start treating yourself as important, when you start treating yourself as important, the world follows suit. You stop chasing, you start attracting. And the people who truly value you, they'll move mountains to keep you close. So ask yourself today, are you giving away your power or protecting it? You've got this.